Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of joining server on Discord. To know how to fix or how to solve joining server on Discord app, you should just go to settings. Then you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can click on Discord and you will enter here. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store and you can uninstall your app, then you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.